Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing materials and deciding a simple system. Choose 3-5 colors and assign a meaning to each. This reduces decision fatigue. Once done, label the first few notes with concise headings and use a ruler to align them consistently along the page edge. Place the first note at the top of the section to mark the main idea and stick subsequent notes slightly lower to create a staggered, readable index. This gives you immediate navigation and preserves the book spine. You now organize content using compact annotations that guide future review. Write one-line headings and include a symbol for urgency or type so your eye locates meaning fast. Once placed, open the page and add quick context or page numbers on the note body. This preserves the index function and prevents confusion later. Make sure to stagger notes by section or chapter to avoid overlap. When a note accumulates too much text, replace it with a fresh note and archive the old one elsewhere. You finish by establishing a maintenance habit so the system stays reliable. Once a week, review notes to consolidate duplicates, discard resolved items, and reassign colors as needed. If a note becomes loose, replace it or add a small strip of clear tape behind the adhesive. This preserves pages. If notes consistently lift, gently clean the paper edge with a soft eraser, then reapply. This removes oils that prevent sticking. Finally, keep a spare pack of notes nearby so you never interrupt workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.